Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's my 1957 Belair, and last summer we got it up and running and driving. So for all you that are new here, you know, after this video, you can go back and check all those out. But we bought it with a crunched up quarter panel. So it looks like they had replaced the door, but that quarter panel is crunched up. You know, I took the you know, I had the little side emblems and the trim on there. Took all that off. But we're going to fire it up, back it in the carport there, finish taking the rear tail light off and the rear trim. And then we'll see if we can get that straightened out. I mean, every day I walk by that all winter long, looking at that crunched up quarter panel. And it's just sitting there in your face, just laughing at you. So she's moving. Once again, no body shop experience. I'm predicting a total clown show. So, you know, stick around to the end and, you know, you can see how it turned out. So let's get busy. Oh, we're going to get busy. I can't believe this thing has brakes. I didn't even do nothing to them. All right, she's all caved in pretty good, but yeah, well, we're gonna take this tail light off and this piece off, and looks like there's a screw right here that goes in there, and but we gotta take the tail light off before we get that off. So yeah, it's kind of wedged in there. I think this bumper's turned up a little bit, so we might have to loosen it and push it down a little bit to get that light out. So let me give that a shot. There we go. So push down on it a little bit. I had to take a couple of the bolts out. All right, here's what I'm thinking. I have no idea. We're just winging this. So what I'm going to do is on the inside, I'm going to use these holes for the trim, so I don't have to drill any other holes initially. And so I'm going to put this on the inside, and I'll just take a couple screws to get it started and get it tight, and then I'm going to put these big old lag bolts through here, and that'll give you something to pull on. I'm going to put the two, you know, I was thinking about, you know, putting these on, but it's just gonna pooch it out just in that section. So if I put the board on there, it may give it a little more even pull. I don't know. And not with the shot. That's attempt number 1. We're going to try that, and we'll take it over to the dent pulling tree and see what happens. once we pull it out, we could, make some other spots and put some, 2x4 behind there. But I also got from Harbor Freight one of these stud guns, and so I think our problem is going to be up here. I think this will pull out okay, but I think right here it's going to be kind of creased in. So I got these body shims, and we can weld these on here and tug on it that way. And we got the stud gun. We can, pick and choose where we want to pull on it. But between the 2 and 3, and also we got the also from Harbor Freight, we got the porta pull. See, we got these little jaws right here. We got all kinds of little attachments and different ways of prying on there. With the frame and stuff on the inside, we could put some wood on there and use that porta pull, push, and work areas need be. Who knows? We'll just kind of go as we go and see what happens. But I think we got a good plan, and it's going to do something. All right, time has arrived. I was looking at it a little closer. I think you can see the crease right here, but I'm sure it's bent right in here too. And we'll just pull it, and we won't get too crazy, and we'll see what happens. Hey, worst case scenario, we're probably going to replace the quarter panel anyways, but hopefully we could just replace the back. And ooh, walking stick. That's a little one. All right, we ready? I've been waiting for this for a long time. So yeah, curious, thinking about it. Will it work? I don't know. So quit jacking around. Get after it. All right. Get hooked up. I'm actually kind of nervous. Oh, she's moving. All right, she pulled out a little bit, so let's grab back on to this other pin. Let's alternate these and see what happens. What we're gonna do. She's coming out. It's wanting to pull my pin apart, so I forgot to weld those. This is going to be, I think, tougher than we think, because it's going to have to come up, so quite a bit. I think we're done pulling on this, and try to do something with this. We'll regroup here. All right, pretty insignificant, but I'm gonna call it a win. It's definitely bowed out here where it was totally caved in. So now we kind of get an idea how it's gonna react. Shiny, that purple paint. I don't know if you can see that or not. Original paint underneath there. I really like that color. I'm gonna keep that color. Next morning, just got to work. I almost called in sick today, because I would love to stay home and yank on my quarter panel all day. You kidding me? As soon as I get home, 5 minutes later. Hasn't rained all day. Maybe it'll let up. Quit raining, so yeah, I think we're golden. All right, I'm gonna add another one right here on the inside. We'll put another pull tab right here, because then we can pull this whole section out. And I'm gonna weld. I cleaned off 3 spots right here. I had some tabs I'm gonna weld on there, and we can pull right there too. So let's try it. Yeah, this board kind of pivoted around, so if we have to, the board pivots around, so if we have to move it down and move it around, and you know, what the hell? I tell you what, it's about 125 after that rain, the humidity set in. Woo! I'm not ready. It's like death. It's like death on a stick. Got 3 tabs up there. Got 3 pulls down here. Let's pull the car over there and give it a shot. I'm getting some sweet tea first. I'm telling you. Ooh. It's hot. Quit complaining, man. It could be 20 below. Weenie. I was going through some boxes. Look what I found. 1957 Wheatback. That's going in the Belair. I think that's going to stay with the car. Pretty cool. You know, I think I'm going to wait till that sun breaks a little bit, because you know, it's hot over here in the shade. I bet you it's like 257 degrees over there. So I think we're going to get some dinner, and then we'll come back out when the sun hits the carport. Yeah. Good plan, man. You know, that's the best plan you had all day. You know, this thing steers so nice. I mean, I don't need power steering in this thing. I mean, it's easy. You know, we have to put a new motor in here sooner than we think. I want to hit that subscribe button, because, you know, it's happening. All right, just to remind everybody, it's the first time I did anything like this before, ever. So, right here first. This right here is getting closer to the bumper, so I think we're making some headway. I know you body shop guys are like, no, you. See what happens, man. We'll get her. Looks like I need to make a whole bunch of these. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think we need to put some tabs right here and pull. And it sucks that broke. Because I think if I would have done these up here first and then pulled on here, it would have been better. This still needs to bow out some, but yeah, see this needs to be straight down there. This has got to come out. This has got to come over a little bit. I don't know if we're going to be able to save this back. I don't even know if we're going to be able to save any of it, but you know, it's a learning experience. Just pulling that top a little bit more. It's starting to get dark. Damn it, put a hole in there. Have to split this one into a two-parter. I mean, we got the general shape going. I'm somewhat happy with it. Top is still a little wavy. I mean, it's not even close, but at least it's not completely caved in. We got an outer round, then a, you know, inner round. So, technical term. All right, one thing, we did learn some stuff. I mean, where to put the tabs, which ones to pull first, how much to pull. You know, got a better idea on how to do that. So, I mean, it's a learning process, and, you know, we'll get better. But I was looking through a catalog today, and this inner piece right here, they sell separately. It's like 200 bucks, so I'm going to order that, and then it comes all the way up to the fin up here and comes down about, you know, right there, and it's that whole inner section. So sorry about the shaky camera. Double handing it back and forth. Yeah, I mean, quarter panels were $800, $1,000 to ship. So, and we may end up doing the back piece or a half quarter or the bottom. I'm not sure yet. I may just have to bite the bullet and buy a new quarter panel. But since we're going to do the 2-door conversion, you know, I'm thinking, you know, maybe buy the full 2-door quarter panel, and that would make it easier on this side. But anyways, you know, I appreciate everybody watching, and thanks to the new subscribers. There's plenty of stuff coming up. You know, we got lots of stuff. So I appreciate you subscribing. Yeah, we'll do a part 2 on that other section, and then, you know, fine tuning it. Yeah, I've been starting dabbling on the Instagram thing. You know, kind of post a little bit of, you know, things I'm doing ahead of the video, so you kind of get an idea what's coming up by what I'm posting on the Instagram. So it's just RG Garage. They won't let you put the little and sign in there, so it's just RG Garage. Yeah, just give me a follow on that Instagram thing, and you can, you know, get some scoopage. Yeah, everybody have a great Independence Day. Be safe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks. And it broke right off. Quit. Yeah, hey, what's up, Groucho? All right, time has arrived. Got it out here by the tree. Here's our little tree right here. What a weenie. You know, that piece of trim was right here. Man, they're pricey. You know, like $700-800, I think. The one place I looked, I was like, damn. Anyways,